Ever since the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha Congress government rose to power in Jharkhand, leaders with an anti-India mindset have been emboldened. The latest incident to prove the point is the act of Bharat Virtual Educational University, which has conferred a PhD degree to JMM leader and Minority Affairs Minister Hafizul Hasan. Mind you, the university has no legal status to confer degrees. The minister has further landed into controversy as the fake university, which has handed over the PhD degree to him, is also alleged to have links to Pakistan-based networks. Interestingly, this fake university shows its affiliation with Central Christian University, Africa. Further, the chancellor of this university, Dr. Usman, has been awarded the title of professor by an institution in Islamabad, Pakistan. Significantly, the university in question is fake, as according to Section 22 of the UGC Act of 1956, the university is not recognized by the University Grants Commission, the Government of India, or the Jharkhand government. He is the same minister who stoked a row when he said that Shariat came first for a Muslim and then the constitution of the country. Shariat हमारे लिए बड़ा है, हम कुरान सीने में रखते हैं और हाथ में संविधान. इस्लाम में शरीयत को पहले पकड़ेंगे फिर संविधान को. And then just some days back, another JMM minister in Jharkhand made a mockery of himself when he sought resignation from Himachal Congress Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, holding him responsible for Pahalgam massacre. The minister did not know that Pahalgam was in Kashmir and not in Himachal Pradesh. He even identified Mehbooba Mufti as CM of Jammu and Kashmir. This JMM minister, identified as Sudivya Kumar, holds multiple departments. I used to consider Kumar Sudivya a serious politician, but unfortunately he is also losing his mental balance after demanding the resignation of Himachal CM Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu over the Pahalgam attack. He is now calling Mehbooba Mufti the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. BJP legislator CP Singh said in a post on X, this very Jharkhand Mukti Morcha party had passed a resolution rejecting Citizenship Amendment Act, Uniform Civil Code and National Register of Citizens during its 46th Foundation Day at Gandhi Maidan in Dumka district in February this year. It even opposed the Waqf bill recently.